Jewel, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. And for today's episode, I am going to share with you the supplements that I've been taking for the past few weeks. And these products are from BiteDocs. And for me, these products are really life-saving, and it helps with my physical health and the insecurities with myself because of the benefits and the vitamins from the supplement itself. And these products are guaranteed that are made from safe and clean environment. And the products that I've been talking to are this one, this three from BiteDocs. First, Longworth, Slim Sleep, and the last one is the hair growth. So these are the products that I've been taking, the supplements from BiteDocs. And good news, guys, because if you want to purchase these supplements, they have a 50% discount from the original price. Plus, just use my code TANJUL for you to have a 10% discount aside from the 50% discount from the original price. So don't forget to visit the link in the description box down below. Visit their pages and buy their products, their supplements, because these products are really trusted. So let me introduce or share with you the benefits of the Slim Sleep, guys. One of my favorites, Slim Sleep, because Slim Sleep supplements help you to have a deeper and restful sleep, and of course calm the nerves before bed. The vitamins help with unwinding both of your mind and body before bed, which means that you will get a good full night's sleep when using the BiteDocs Slim Sleep supplements. The vitamins are also a natural fat burner, as they reduce appetite and minimize cravings. They also help with boosting your long-term metabolism and deep sleep. So that are the benefits of the Slim Sleep supplements, and I really love the benefits of it. The effect lately, or this pandemic, I really sleep late. I always sleep late every time I do my homeworks, or even if I'm not doing my homeworks, I always sleep late. But now not anymore. I sleep early na since I take the supplement Slim Sleep, and it really helps with my rest time. Every time I wake up, I feel alive, not a groggy one like before. Now I am alive since I take this supplement. So this supplement is really recommendable, and also Slim Sleep will help to speed up your metabolism and avoid carb cravings, especially in the midnight. My God, we love cravings, we love food. I know everyone wants to be fit, everyone wants to stay in their shape. But nowadays, or actually lately, I gain weight. Since the online class started, I always do my homeworks, I always do my assignments and everything. That is why lagi na lang ako nakaupo. Lagi na lang ako nakaupo, and I noticed with myself that I gain weight, and hindi na ako masyado nag-exercise, and I have lot of cravings. But because of the supplements that I've been taking right now, it's really effective. And hindi na ako nagki-crave. Because of this one, it is not only to help me to combat the midnight cravings, but it also helped me to sleep better. That is why these supplements are really trusted and recommendable. And at the same time, all the ingredients are natural and vegan friendly. So overall, Slim Sleep is a nighttime fat burner, helps speed up metabolism, promotes calm sleep, and wake without grogginess, of course. So yeah. And next, we also have here a Longworth, and I also love this one because it has a lot of benefits. Because Longworth capsule is a natural procedure designed to detoxify, cleanse, and refresh the delicate respiratory linings of the bronchial passage and lungs by purging them to build up environment toxins, harmful organisms, and accumulated irritants. And cleansing the lungs is something that should be done on a regular basis due to the declining quality of indoor and outdoor air. Longworth is a natural plant that has been used around the world for a variety of respiratory ailments, including coughs, colds, bronchial detoxification, and catarrhal concerns. Revitalizes lung vitality and strength, and soothes the throat during times of discomfort. Always out of breath, which was very frustrating for me every time I working out, taking the stairs, or going out for a walk. It's hard for me every time I am out of breath. And I always prefer a natural and trustworthy products. That is why I choose the Vitedox, the lungwort supplements from Vitedox. And since I've been taking this one, I find a great difference when it comes to my breathing, and I feel energized too. And guess what? Lungwort supplements contain only one ingredient, which is the organic lungwort, and that is amazing, right? So yeah, this is perfect for you guys, for everyone, for us. And of course, the last one, which is the hair growth. One of my favorite, this is my favorite rather, because hair growth supplements help you to have a stronger, fuller, and healthier hair. And hair growth supplements help you to prevent hair loss and stimulate hair growth. Vitedox hair growth was formulated specifically to support the natural hair growth cycle, helping increase the overall lifespan of the hair follicles and reducing hair loss. So that's the reason why I love this one. Especially, I have the insecurities of my hair. I have insecurities with my hair. As you all know, I bleach my hair 3 times. You know guys, it's really frustrating. At first, I love my hair when I bleach it. But time after time, I got frustrated. That is why I cut my hair. I cut my hair after I bleach, maybe a weeks. I cut my hair and I colored it because I killed my hair 3 times. I bleached my hair. That is why I really love this one, because it really helped me to bring back the life of my hair, because I killed it. I killed my hair 3 times. Oh my god, it's really frustrating. You know, and as what I've said, I prefer to use products that I am completely trust. That is why I use this one. I am taking this one. And this is my teammate. This is the teammate of my hair. Because sad to say guys, after I got bleached with my hair, I have a lot of falling hair. Every time I shower, my hair is falling. I got hair loss. Really, every time I sleep and I wake up, then I look at the bed, my hair is falling. Really guys. And trivia, actually, since I got bleached, I am afraid to use comb, or I am afraid to comb my hair, because I am afraid to lose everything, to lose my hair, all of my hair. It's so sad. That is why, again, I am not combing my hair before, but now this supplement hair growth bring back the life of my hair, as you can see. Look at that. I'm so grateful for that. Thank you so much, hair growth supplement from Vitedox, because hundreds or maybe thousands of hair that I lost because I bleached it. But because of this hair growth, getting me all the essential vitamins and minerals for my hair. And as you can see, I get a lot better with this one, unlike before. It helps to strengthen and make your hair stronger. It will help your hair grow, of course. As you can see, I cut it here before 3 months. 3 months, I guess. Look at that. It is longer now. And this supplements contains 60 capsules, good for 1 month. I take hair growth and Slim Sleep 2 capsules in a day, but alternate, because I don't like to take a lot of capsules in just 1 day. That's not my thing. That is why, even if I love this product or the supplements, I take this alternate. For instance, this is for MWF, and this one is for TTH, and this lungwort is, I take this 5 times a week. And also I take Slim Sleep 2 capsules 30 minutes before going to bed. So overall, I really love the products of Vitedox, their supplements. I love this one because this is all natural and vegan friendly. And again guys, if you want to purchase, I have a code Tanju to have a 10% discount. Please do visit their page. The link is down below in the description box. Zero hair fall.
So I'm just doing my everyday makeup look, my quick everyday makeup look, since I am going to pay my tuition in my school, and yeah, I'm just getting ready. And of course, I'm going to take this one, long word from White Docs, for me to have a clear breathing, since I know that I'm going to be out of breath since the accounting is in the 7th floor and there's an elevator, but maybe there's a lot of people. I will take the stairs na lang. That's why I'm going to take this for me to have a good breathing. This long word promotes normal lung function, supports elimination of toxins, revitalize and detox lungs, and of course, breathe more clearly. Yes. And of course, take it when you're done eating or when you're done with your meal. And I'm done with my breakfast. And of course, stay hydrated, everyone, just like me. Let's go.
Hey guys, I'll get going now, and I just changed my top because I guess the security guard there will not allow me to go inside the school if I have a sleeveless top. That's why I changed my top, and I will just update you later, guys. Bye bye. So hey guys, luckily there's no people out there. I was just taking an elevator. I'm here now. So there's no people pa, so I'll just here. Hey guys, as you can see, I'm alone here. There's no people at all since it's 12:30 in the afternoon and break pa siguro nila. So I'll just wait here until the accounting will open. So I'll just update you later. Bye. And so far, I'm just doing great, doing fine right here.
Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to drink a lot of water, stay healthy and stay safe, everyone. Bye-bye!